Welcome to the Superhero Lab. Experiments for kindergarten children. Let's do some fizzy and bubbly experiments today with the things that we all have in our kitchen. Let's get to know this exciting chemical reaction. For today's experiment, we will need a tall glass, baking soda, teaspoon and a long-handed spoon, food coloring, dishwasher detergent, 2 lemons, chopping board, a knife, citrus squeezer. Put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in the glass. Take the detergent. Add half teaspoon of detergent. And a few drops of food coloring. Cut the lemons in half and squeeze them. Pour prepared lemon juice into the glass all at once. Here it goes, bubbles. When baking soda, a base reacts with the citric acid in lemon juice. Carbon dioxide gas is produced. This is the reason for all those bubbles. Try to use the prepared bubbly solution as a natural homemade detergent for washing your hands, dishes, or your toys. Find more experiments on the Superhero Lab YouTube channel and discover the scientist in you.